Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the interquartile range in Excel. Let's get started. The interquartile range represents the difference between the third and first quartiles of a data set. To do this easily in Excel, let's start by finding the first quartile. Click on an empty cell and type in equals quartile, open bracket, and select the dataset of interest. I'm going to click and drag. Then you add a comma, and now Excel is asking you which quartile you want to return. So for this one, I'm going to return the first quartile. So I'm going to enter 1, and then close the bracket and hit enter to get the first quartile value. Next, let's calculate the third quartile in a similar way. So I'm going to enter equals quartile, open bracket, again select the dataset, add a comma, and input 3 for the third quartile. Close the bracket and press enter to obtain the third quartile value. Now that we have both quartiles, we'll find the interquartile range. In an empty cell, type equals, click on the third quartile value, minus the first quartile value, and hit enter. You've calculated the first quartile, third quartile, and the interquartile range using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.